Good to see you here at the trade table. Today we're putting the spotlight on one of the most trusted tools you'll ever own, the power drill. If you've ever struggled with a screwdriver or wasted time on a project, this tool changes everything. I'll walk you through what it is, the jobs it can handle, the parts you need to know, and exactly how to use it step by step. A power drill is a handheld tool designed for drilling holes and driving screws quickly and efficiently. It runs on either a rechargeable battery or a power cord, making it much faster than manual tools. Whether you are building furniture, hanging a TV mount, or handling home repairs, a power drill is one of the most important tools to keep in your kit. Power drills do more than drill holes. They can drive screws, mix paint with special attachments, and even sand or polish with the right bit. Its flexibility is why homeowners and DIY enthusiasts consider it one of the most valuable tools you can own. Before using one, it helps to understand the key parts. Chuck holds the drill bit or screwdriver bit. Trigger squeeze this to control the speed. Forward and reverse switch lets you drive screws in or back them out. Torque adjustment ring controls how much twisting power the drill applies. Speed settings, usually low speed for driving screws, high speed for drilling holes. Handle and grip where you hold the drill securely. Battery or cord provides the power to run the drill. Choose the right bit. Pick the correct drill bit for the material you are working with, such as wood, metal, or masonry, or choose the right screwdriver bit if you are driving screws. Insert the bit, loosen the chuck by twisting it, insert the bit, then tighten it until it is secure. If your drill uses a key, use it to lock the bit in place. Set speed and torque, select a low torque and low speed for screws, and higher speed for drilling holes. Adjust based on the job you are working on. Secure your material. Clamp down wood or metal so it does not move. This makes drilling easier, more accurate, and much safer. Start drilling or driving. Hold the drill straight, squeeze the trigger gently to start slow, then increase pressure as needed. Keep steady pressure, but do not force it. Let the drill do the work for you. Safety tips. Always wear safety glasses. Keep your hands away from the drill bit, and never drill into walls without checking for wires or pipes behind them. Taking a little time to prepare will prevent accidents. And that is the power drill. Now you know what it is, the parts to look out for, and how to use it with confidence. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our next project. Thanks for watching the Trade Table, and I will see you in the next one.